So today we're going to be cooking this amazing customer favorite. It is the creamy chestnut mushroom risotto with vegan cream cheese. We'll have dinner on the table in about half an hour. Stay tuned. Let's get started. Peel and chop the shallots and garlic. Clean and slice the mushrooms. Peel and finely slice the celery. Rinse and roughly chop the parsley. Then boil the measured water and dissolve the vegetable stock cube in it. Heat a drizzle of oil in a pan over medium heat. Fry the shallots, mushrooms, celery and garlic for 5 minutes. Once softened, add the Arborio rice and cook for 1 minute further, stirring to coat the grains in the oil. Then add 1/4 of the stock and stir continuously until it has been absorbed. Continue to add the stock a little at a time for 20 minutes or until all the stock is absorbed and the rice is cooked al dente. This is your risotto. Finally, add the Nutritional yeast, apple cider vinegar, chopped fresh parsley and cream cheese. Season the risotto with salt and pepper to taste. Bon appétit! So this is how easy it is to prepare a fully vegan risotto at home in about 30 minutes. So if you're unable to travel to your favorite food destination this summer, then bring it to your own kitchen. I'm gonna try it now. If you want to see other recipes similar to this and other great risotto recipes, you can find them here. But for now, bon appétit!